There might be 100 better ways to do this, but this is my first experience with these, so I'll show how I'm handling it. These were kept as a unit during the cleaning process. Where the E or I is located is the side for the valve bridge tips. I tend to use small super magnets to hold iron-based parts together as a third hand. With the plastic clips, I get one leg on the tab, then use pliers to squeeze the springed area so it fits into the rocker arm recess while pushing the other leg onto the tab. It's still not easy, and I can't imagine trying to do this with the rocker arm that came off while in the engine compartment. I've read people commenting on the frustration about getting these back together, so I thought I'd show how I do it. As I said, there's probably better ways. Thanks for watching.